Hi guys, this is Rahul here and I'm from myview.rahullevy.net, which is my blog. And here in this particular section, I'm going to talk about ChatGPT versus Bard. And here we'll be unveiling the future of AI text generation itself. When I say AI text generation, basically we are going to compare the capabilities of ChatGPT and Bard, both being that AI tools, and both are competing against each other. And so here is the fact, like we are going to unravel the things around the facts and figures, like what ChatGPT is presenting and what Bard is presenting. Basically, we are trying to challenge their limitations. Let's say we are going to try to hit the ceiling by looking at the factors which ChatGPT can perform better, and which are the factors in which Bard can perform better, and then hence we are going to make the decision on those factors. Basically, you should know this particular part, like chat gpt is not the replacement of bard, and bard is not the replacement of chat gpt. Either way, I mean, it's like both are great in their own way, and we are going to need them both, right? And that is what we are going to know, that like in which category, in which section we are going to need them, right? So let's say if we need to work on the latest data and the numbers which is there, then we can obviously use the bard. Otherwise, for conciseness and for the pre-trained data, we can use the generative AI concept. For that, ChatGPT fits in. But apart from these factors, there are a bunch of other factors which can be compared side by side, and we will see that thing in action, like how to compare and how to challenge their limits by just taking a sneak view of that. And let's get started, and we'll see that thing in detail.